What's going on, everybody? The Germ here at Fun Spot Orlando. Fun Spot has 3 locations. We already visited the one in Atlanta. This is the Orlando one, and they also have a Kissimmee park. Now, I love roller coasters. I am a roller coaster fanatic. Each park has their unique roller coasters. This one has 2. One steel, one wood. The one I just showed you is Freedom Flyer. I guess this is their mascot here, some kind of superhero guy. Doesn't look like it's currently running. Yeah, not sure exactly what's going on with this one. I think it was closed when I checked online. It doesn't even look like they actually have the trains on the tracks right now. So maybe they're experiencing some kind of issues, or maybe they're going through an upgrade process. I have no idea. If you guys know, leave it in the comments below. This is their wooden coaster, White Lightning. Looks like your classic wooden coaster. Love the sound of that chain lift. And there it goes. I want to say there's only 3 wooden roller coasters in Florida. You guys could correct me if I'm wrong on that. But there's one at each of the Fun Spot parks, and there's also one at Legoland, because there used to be a different park called Cypress Creek. Very pretty park. They have this pond in the middle with a little fountain. Looks like they have a cool place to eat. The extra long New York pizza is pretty funny when you're from New York. They got a Johnny Rockets in here. That's pretty cool to see a Johnny Rockets in here. I wasn't expecting to see that in a local theme park. Of course, they're known for their hamburgers, shakes, hot dogs, and French fries. I bought this at the Atlanta location, and we're gonna scan this. $5.99 for a milkshake. Oh yeah, look at those hamburgers and hot dogs. But we just ate, so all we did was get milkshakes. So while we're waiting for our milkshakes back here at Johnny Rockets, look at these. Have you guys ever had these? They have freeze-dried Skittles. Only I don't think they call them freeze-dried Skittles. They're called Sour Rainbow Bursts. And they have Nerdy Bursts as well. Let me know if you guys ever had these. I'm kind of tempted to try these Skittle ones. They look pretty good. I've seen them before. Oh, they got the tilt-a-whirl going in full speed. We got our Johnny Rocket strawberry milkshake. Very thick. Absolutely delicious. I love these. I love that atmosphere here with all the food truck trailers. They got the common stuff like Annie Ann's, but it was cool to see a place like Johnny Rockets, and the prices are very reasonable here. I mean, for a shake at an amusement park, $5.99, that's a pretty good deal. And of course, you gotta have the classics when you're at an amusement park, a carousel. Not a regular carousel though, a double-decker carousel. All right, we're gonna use our tickets from Air Force One to get into this park. So, in one of our other videos, we got these free complimentary tickets for being the first 100 riders at Air Force One in Atlanta. So, this is awesome. So, we're getting in here for free. I love this place, Fun Spot. You guys got to come check it out. It's a really, really cool, unique park. All right, so apparently that ticket was only at the Atlanta park, so that kind of stinks. But that's all right. I put some more money on this card just so we go on this one roller coaster, White Lightning. So we're gonna go on that. It looks pretty intense. This is a GCI coaster, Great Coasters International. There it goes up the hill, and here we go up the steps.
I was like,
he's gonna do the other voice. Do the other one.
oh, boy, how you doing?
It's pretty good. All right. That was White Lightning here in Orlando. Great staff here, man. The staff here is very nice, just like the Atlanta park. We got one more fun spot park to go to. Great out and back, woody, man. Don't miss out on this one. Don't pass on it. Even if you come here just to go on one ride, make sure you go on this ride. This is a great out and back wooden roller coaster. Time to leave Fun Spot Orlando, but now we're on our way to Fun Spot Kissimmee. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.